One of the key components to my business is a collaborative approach, and we really drill this home all the way to the very first meeting with our clients. I have a mantra, design equals collaboration, and I think the best homes grow. And it's a conversation, and it starts usually from maybe a favorite piece of furniture that a client has, a favorite piece of furniture that a family member or a friend, something that they've seen. And I really am always encouraging clients to be a sincere part of the design process. The client really knew that she wanted color. And so one of the things that we always do when we approach a new project is really understand the surroundings. What's the architecture, what's the location, what's the point of view of the building overall. So when we really began to pull this home through the lens of all those individual factors which make up a place to live for any person that might be here, what we landed on, I think, was sort of spot on in terms of creating a warm and comfortable environment that really expands. It's not just one individual home, it's from the front door forward. My goal is always to help people find a way to grow. Zeroed in on key pieces that we took time, energy, investment to build a collection for this particular client who's really kicking off into her first home. And my goal is always to help people find a way to grow.